Hi friends, welcome to tutorial days, and in this video you are going to learn jQuery events. There are various events in jQuery and you can use this in different situations. For example, let's see, in the previous video we had worked on this, so we were clicking on this. So this is actually the event. So rather than click, we will write here mouse over. Okay, now let's check. If you refresh it and then let's take the mouse here, you can see just taking the mouse over that button, then action is fired. Just not clicking, just taking the mouse here. Okay, so this is on mouse over. Okay, so here is the list of events, important events here. For example, mouse events: on click, double click, mouse enter, mouse leave. And on keyboard events, key press, key down, key up. And form events like form submit, on change, focus, blur. So this focus, blur, etc. is based on input type. And on document, load, decide, scroll, unload. So these are important events of jQuery. So let me show you with keyboard event. Input type text name or id equals to f name. So here we'll type here first name. Okay, and when we put or we write something here, so let's refresh it. So what we are going to do, when we write here something, then there should be an alert message or something written will come here. Okay, so let's do how that we can do. Just let's copy this one and paste below. So what is this? This is id, right? So which id? First name. That means this will be the action. So we will write here key up. That means when we press key or key press, we can write here key press. Then there should be an alert message. Say alert you have pressed key. So let's write something now. Oh, we need to write here not has, we has, because we have put here id, right? So that is why it's not working. If you type here now something, then you can see you have pressed key, right? Okay. And rather than key press, I will write here blur. That means when we take out, after writing something, for example, I have written here something and then I click somewhere outside, then this event will fire. While writing, the event will not fire. As soon as you press somewhere else, then this event will fire. So this one is blur. So this way there are different events. You can use these on different occasions. So that's it in this video, and in the next video we will work on show, hide, and fade in, fade out, etc. in further videos. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.